I'm going through the problems on 2-45, starting with A. So here we have negative x squared plus 3x for x equals negative 3. So I'll replace my negative 3 in with the square, plus 3 times negative 3. Notice I'm putting that negative 3 in parentheses every time. So negative 3 squared is a positive 9. Still has that negative on the outside because the negative happens after the square in the order of operations. I'm going to add that to 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 9 is negative 18. Next, we have x equals negative 1 in this rule. So 5 minus negative 1 minus 2 squared. So I do what's inside the parentheses first. That's negative 3 squared. Still has that 5 minus outside. Negative 3 squared is a positive 9. 5 minus 9 would equal a negative 4. This, by the way, is what your work should roughly look like. It's not amazing, but it's there. Okay, on C, we've got k equals a negative 1. So negative 5 over negative 1 plus 1. Uh-oh. Negative 5 over 0. We can't do that. That's crazy. That's undefined. Can't divide by 0. Alright, and then over here, we plug in 2 for x and 3 for negative y. So 2 over 2 minus 3, or plus a negative 3, minus, and then 2 squared, and then plus negative 3. Yikes, lots of substitutions in there. I strongly recommend when you do ones, especially when they get messy like this, really make a point on that first step. Don't do any math, just write it out. That's where the mistakes happen a lot of the times. So 2 over 2 minus 3 is negative 1, still in absolute values, minus 4 plus negative 3 would be minus 3. 2 over negative 1, that's negative 2 in absolute values. Minus 4 minus 3, that's the same as minus 7. And then the absolute value here would be a positive 2 minus 7, which gives us negative 5. I hope that helps. Sorry, my handwriting's messy.